Guys, thought I'd do an experiment between my marine radio here connected to my 12-volt power supply and this little antenna cable right here, and it feeds up to just into my little candle holder there. Originally in one of my other radios I programmed my radios for like those emergency channels, and a while back, a couple of years ago, I took this out of our boat, and for some reason, our boat spun a prop, and we tried to signal for vessel assist out of Newport, where we live, and couldn't reach anybody. So we didn't know if it was a bad antenna or a bad radio. So I guess I'm trying to do a couple different things with this experiment. I want to see if my radio works, to see if I can transmit, and also transmit between here and here on my emergency channel, and have it pick it up with my baofeng, and also on my SDR sharp, but I'll show you that. One of the issues, what's weird is I live like in a place called Costa Mesa, and I live like right on the actual end of the cliff, like right above the water. So I should almost have like perfect line of sight coverage out to the ocean. So I'm trying to figure out why, for some reason, SDR sharp, even with my discount antenna on the roof, which should cover the marine band, I'm not picking up a signal, or at least it's not coming in clearly. I can't hear anybody talk. So on that band, I mean, I can literally hear airplanes, 2 meter, 70 centimeter. I can even hear HF bands. Not very good yet, but still experimenting with that. But yeah, so I kind of want to test this radio, but I also want to see what I'm doing wrong in SDR sharp to be able to pick up these radios, because for some reason, I should have great line of sight all the way out to the ocean. So, because if I actually walk out to my lawn, I can see the actual ocean from my front lawn. So, and plus I have that dipole antenna you've seen in the other videos that's 10 feet above my roof. So yeah, I just have a quick little antenna to experiment, and I'll do some tests here to see if I can transmit here. So, cool. So I'm going to power this on. And I'm going to make this, put this on channel 1. Turn the skelch up a little bit so we don't have to deal with that annoying noise. And this is on, and then I'm also going to change this channel. I'm trying to get the camera straight here. Actually, I need to go up. So I'm going to the marine band. Oh, and that's mirrors. The cool thing about this thing is that there's some guy that actually made a pretty cool list of all the mirrors, GMRS, FRS, marine bands, weather bands. Cool little thing for Chirp to program this. It's kind of like an all-in-one, like emergency frequency list. Oh, sorry, wasn't paying attention while I was talking. So marine 1. So I'm hoping. Oh. Going back the other way. I guess we'll try Marine 5A. Let's see what happens here. Alright, let me put this in a way you can see it, hopefully. Let's see if that works. Yeah, look at that. Test, 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 test. Yep, you can see the light going on too. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Test, test. I guess I need to put this next to my ear to see if it's really actually transmitting. So yeah, the thing is we couldn't actually transmit before, so let's put this down here, and I mean, I must be transmitting something because they wouldn't be activating. Hello, hello. Let's change that channel. Let's go to try channel 6 marine, and then we'll turn this up. Just to make sure that it wasn't just a fluke. Okay, go again. Hello, hello, hello. Let me turn the volume up here. Hello. Well, yeah, that's weird. For some reason, I mean, I don't hear my voice. Oh, there it goes. Well, I'm still learning this radio stuff, so don't make fun of me. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, I don't know, man. So I'm gonna keep on explaining. I guess what I'm using, I'm practicing SDR sharp real quick and see what happens. Hello, hello, hello. That's weird. It does it kind of sporadically. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. So I know when I get that squeal, that's when I know it's gonna work. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so it does work. I'm thinking it's more like this this radio, but I'm also going to do an SDR sharp too. But this is not the right antenna to be. That's actually more of a receiving antenna, so I could be screwing this radio up. I don't know. I do actually have a big an extra. When we replaced the stuff on the boat, since we didn't know what it was, and I didn't really know much about radios back then, or at least a lot less than I do now. We replaced the antenna and the radio. Let's try one more time. Hello, hello. Hello. Yeah, it's clear. I have to hit the mic about 5 times, so I wonder if this is a bad mic. I don't know. Guess we will see. All right, I'm going to test this with a SDR sharp. Here, so I think I figured it out. Took me a couple of seconds, and it does actually receive and transmit both ways. So let's try high-low. So I actually had it in high, and that's actually when I got that craziness. But once I switched over to low, hello, 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 works way better. So, hello, hello. All right. Yeah, I don't even know what all these are. Well, a lot of that stuff is probably for you can actually send your GPS coordinates. But I don't even know what that is. Dual. All right, cool. Hello, hello. So yeah, I know the actual radio wasn't the problem now, so. Alright, cool, so I'm actually going to try this in SDR sharp and see what happens. Alright, cool. Alright, so back on the computer here, and so I'm looking at the Wikipedia page for the marine band frequencies, and what am I on? I'm on channel 6 right now, so channel 6 is 156300. So I'm going to go to 156300. So yeah, I can't figure out why I can't pick up any boats. So I mean, what's a better way to test than actually have the real marine radio in front of you? So I'm going to turn this on. I mean, what's funny is I'm picking up signal, so I don't know if it should be, as far as I know, narrowband FM, so let's try it right now, see what happens. Test, 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 test. So that's weird. 156300. Test, 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 test. Well, sorry. I have my baofeng on at the same time. Test, 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 test. So I'll turn this off. So that's cool. At least I know the marine radio is working. Yeah, I'm not sure if this person's responding to me, but we're just testing the radio. Oh, that's somebody's responding back, I guess. It's funny that this radio, the antenna is tiny. I'm surprised it's even broadcasting. So, yeah, channel 16 should be the emergency. So I'm not broadcasting any emergency channel. So, well, it worked. Somebody responded back. But what's weird, I guess the main thing of what I wanted to test was that SDR Sharp would pick it up. And I did it on the right channel, so now I'm wondering like why I'm not picking up other boats. Turn the range down here a little bit. That's crazy. So once I actually get this connected to my new desk, I bought a new antenna. It's actually right here. I'll do another video on that. It's a big, massive one. I'm getting a bigger 10-foot pole, but this one is actually way more. I guess it can actually receive more bands. I can also transmit on 26, 27, 46, 49, 72, 144, 220, 440, 900, 1200. So that's pretty good. That's a huge range. I mean, it's probably not going to be the best antenna for each of those bands because it's not optimized for that each band, but I mean, it's going to give me the ability to kind of transmit and receive on a broad band there. So cool. Well, glad everything works. I mean, I guess the radio. I'm just trying to figure out why they didn't pick us up, because I know this radio can transmit and receive. SDR Sharp picked it up, but the second thing is, why can't I pick up other people? What the hell? I don't know. Maybe I just got lucky today. I've actually been trying for months to pick up somebody on a marine band, and all of a sudden I could actually hear somebody talk. Well, it works. Have fun.